Hey there and welcome to another tutorial on how to optimize your business workflows with the help of InvoiceBerry and Zapier. My name is Uwe, I'm the founder of InvoiceBerry, a simple online invoicing software for small business owners. Today we're looking at TickTick, it's a to-do list app, and we're trying to automatically add some tasks into our inbox whenever we create a new client in InvoiceBerry. The use case could be whenever we add a new client in InvoiceBerry, we might want to add a task to do some research for that client, to prepare an invoice, to talk to another department about it, or to start working on their project. For example, if we are a web designer, we might want to do initial research, initial design draft. If we are a content writer, we might want to write the first 500 words for them, and so on. You get the idea. So let me go into my Zapier account and let me connect InvoiceBerry with TickTick. Now the trigger in this case, it could also be a new credit note or invoice and so on, but let's say we say it's a new client. We could also say whenever we add a new expense in InvoiceBerry, we want to add a task in TickTick to add a receipt to that expense or to reach out to the accounts department and ask for something. But in this case, we say a new client and we want to add a task. Let's click on try it. Okay, perfect. So now we see our Zapier editor. We click on the trigger and we click on sign in. In InvoiceBerry's case, we need the API key and the API password. You find those when you click on settings, main settings and integrations. And then you just here click on copy. You pop it into the API key field. Then you go back to InvoiceBerry, you copy the password, you pop it in here, and you click on yes, continue. Great, so now we've successfully connected InvoiceBerry with Zapier, and we click on continue. And now we want to test the trigger. It will check our InvoiceBerry account and see if we've got any clients in the account. In my test account, I've already got a few clients. So it just loaded here my last client, John. And let's click on continue. And now we have to connect TickTick to Zapier. Let's click on sign in. And here we just have to click on allow. And that's it. We've connected TickTick to Zapier as well. Let's click on continue. And now we can select the list we want to add the task to, let's say inbox, but this could also be a list like client work or anything else. Inbox, the task name. So in this case, let's say we take the client's name, the company name, and we could, for example, the task name is initial research for new client. And then we have the client name here. The task content could be a few points, for example, research client website and research client social media channels. We can add a start date, a due date, and a priority. Let's say priority, we say it's high, it's a new client, we want to impress a client. The due date, we could add, let's say, in 3 days. And we click on continue. All right, here we can see once more the data and we just click on test action. All right, perfect. So the task was sent to TickTick. Let's have a look at our inbox in TickTick. And here we got it. In the next 7 days, today is Monday. I said in 3 days. Well, that's Thursday. That's perfect. Initial research for new client. And when I click on that, I see here So research client website, research client social media channels. So what happened right now is that we added a new client in InvoiceBerry, and then automatically we will add a new task in our TickTick inbox that we have to do some research for that client. Let's go back to Zapier. The last thing we have to do is we have to click on publish and turn on the Zap. So whenever we will add a new client in our InvoiceBerry account, it automatically will add a task for us in our TickTick account. Thanks a lot for watching. If you've got any questions whatsoever, please leave them in the comments below. I'm always happy to help you to further automate your business. Have a fantastic day. Bye bye and happy invoicing.